In this video, we will see T flip-flop. T flip-flop, otherwise called as toggle flip-flop. It has single input T and two outputs Q and Q dash. T flip-flop is obtained from JK flip-flop by connecting J and K inputs together. And this is the logic symbol of T flip-flop, that is positive edge triggered T flip-flop. And this is T flip-flop by using JK flip-flop. If both J and K are connected together and it is connected with the T means it behaves like a T flip-flop. So let us check the operation of T flip-flop. For that I am using this symbol. If you give T is equal to 0, then what will happen? J input is 0, K input is 0 because both the lines are tied together. So here 0, here also you get 0. In JK flip-flop, both the inputs are 0, then the output remains in the same state. So you get Qn. If you put T is equal to 1, then here also 1. Now J and K value is 1. If both the inputs are 1, then it will toggle the output. So if T input is 0, it remains unchanged, and if T is equal to 1, then it will toggle the output. Next, we will derive the characteristic table of T flip-flop. Here, inputs are present state and flip-flop input T. Output is next state. So, present state 0, your T may be 0 or 1. Present state is 1, your input is 0 or 1. Sorry, here 1. Or simply you can write all the 4 possible combination for this 2 input. Right. So, first condition T0. T0 means it remains unchanged. It remains in the previous state. So here 0, again you get 0. Next one, T is equal to 1. T1, it will toggle the output. So 0, toggle means complementing. So you get 1. Next T0, it remains unchanged. So the output is 1. Here present state is 1. You get same value here. Next T is equal to 1, then it will toggle the output. Here 1, so after complementing you get 0. This is the characteristic table and it is a positive edge triggered flip-flop. So this is possible only at positive edge of the clock. If clock is 0, then there is no change in the output. Okay, so this is the characteristic table. Next one, excitation table. The exiting input of that flip-flop by knowing the present state and next state. Here 0, 0, there is no change in the present state. So your T input is definitely 0. If T is 0, then only it remains in the same state. Here 0, 1, your output is toggled. So your T value is 1. If T value is 1, then only it will toggle the output. Here 1, 0, the output is toggled. The input is 1. If then 1, 1, same, there is no change in the output. That means your T value is 0. So this is the excitation table of T flip-flop. We will write the next state equation, that is characteristic equation of T flip-flop. Here there is 2 input. So you have to draw 2 variable schema and the inputs are Qn and T. The next state is 1 for minterm 1 and minterm 2. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Your next state is 1 for minterm 1 and 2. So put 1 on those cells. There is no possibility of grouping. So you can take it as a single cell. And here the value is Q0, T1. So Qn dash T. And for this cell, Q1 and T is 0. So Qn T dash. So the equation Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn dash T plus Qn T dash. So this is the characteristic equation of T flip-flop. Next, we will draw the state diagram. So there is 2 states, 0 and 1. The input T, input is T. There is 2 possibility, input is 0 or 1. If present state is 0, T is equal to 0, then it remains in the same state. If t is equal to 1, it would toggle the output. So you get 1. So it should move to this state. Or you can refer the characteristic table. Present state 0, input 0, you get 0. Present state 0, input 1, the next state is 1. So present state 1, input 0, it remains in the same state 1. So input 0, it remains in the same state. Present state 1, input is 1, it will toggle the output, so you get 0. So here, okay. So this is the state diagram of T flip-flop.